Content writing versus copywriting. What's the difference between the two? Which skill will pay me more? Did any of this question ever strike your mind? Because it did to me when I started my career. But before that, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nida Firdaus. Today in this video, we are going to discuss the difference between content writing and copywriting. So let's get started. First of all, copywriting and content writing have different purposes, but in reality they often merge into each other. The difference between copywriting and content writing is fine line. Content writing is about offering value, whereas copywriting is about persuading the reader. Copywriting is basically the skill through which you persuade others through your written words. It's more of a strategic way of writing where every sentence is there to encourage some action from your reader, and the action can be anything like to buy something, to click on the link, or to give information, etc. And the best part of copywriting, what I love, is you write the way you speak, and it really feels like having a conversation with the writer. I just love this part. On the other hand, content writing have different purpose than copywriting. The target of the content writing is only to add value to your reader. It's basically like you need to present with great information, and ultimately their trust in your business grows. So this is the whole thing what you have to do. Just provide with valuable information, educate them, and sometimes entertain your reader as well. One pro tip which I would love to give you here is, remember, with great content you are nurturing your possible buyers, because content warms them up and encourages them to buy from you later in future. So when I started my career, I had no idea, no clue about what is content writing and copywriting. I also didn't know, do you really have a difference between these two? Oh my god, when I realized yes, I was like, what? And then I started to learn and implement all these things, to write copies, etc. So personally now, currently, if you ask me, my favorite skill is copywriting, because what I love about that, as I said in my video as well, you write the way you speak, and that is what I love about it. So yeah, so this is my favorite skill. Do let me know in the comment section which is your favorite skill, and do you really know before the difference between these two, etc. So I would really be happy to read your comments as well. I hope you found this video valuable and got a pretty much idea on the difference between content writing and copywriting. And also make sure you like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, because that motivates me to come up with such amazing videos in future. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.